Hello? Hey, there's someone there. Make yourself known, you might get shot. I got to text Griffin, I'm here. I told him I would text him as soon as I got here. Yeah, it sort of sucks here. Yeah, that's big woods. This is hedge apple. Okay. Gosh, sunglasses because it's fucking dark in here. It's pretty cloudy today. So as you can tell, I'm not wearing my hiking shoes because, well, they're still wet from when when Griffin and I went to, what's it called? Hueston Woods in the creek. I sent an email to the Department of Wildlife about any sightings of anything unusual here, and they got back to me, but they wanted me to clarify. So what the fuck is that? Fucking pterodactyls. What the fuck are these green bugs? I fucking hate bugs. I had to park somewhere else, what I normally do, because somebody is they're having like a picnic or something where I normally park, and I just didn't want to interrupt them by parking there. It's pretty here. I have a back-facing camera. I actually got my GoPro to work. I don't know why it wasn't working before. Just guessing the charger I was using is fucky. So, it wasn't, see, just pieces of corn on the ground. Right there. I guess that's corn, I think that's corn. But, yeah. If you can hear me a little bit better, it's because I'm using I'm not using my case on my head cam. On the downside, I'm not using a case on my camera. It does gonna fall in the drain. I'm looking over there to see if I can see footprints, and oh my god, is that a footprint? I don't know how I'm gonna get over there. I'm not wearing the best shoes. I'm at least gonna put my phone in my back pocket. At least the pockets are deep. So let me try to get. Jeez, that was like a bear. Oh fuck! I almost fell in. It's like a bear human footprint. Right there. That's definitely a bear human footprint. So I'm gonna have to jump. Yeah, footprint here. I'm tucked in the woods like a schizo. I think it's a baby squatch. My finger where the heel is. Okay. Huh. We have a juvenile squatch. Okay, I'm a little freaked out now. Power suggestion, I guess. But I digress. Right, Sam Squinch. I'm not gonna bother you. And you're not gonna bother me. I see Sasquatches as almost like a guardian of the forest. God, I hate this path. Let's look at this shit. Once I get out, I'm gonna have to check myself for bugs or ticks. What did you say? Ah! Dang it. I wish I could park. I didn't want to park here because I hate this part. Walking in the fucking, what's it called? But right off the bat, we found footprints, so that's good. I guess I could thank those people for making me park where I parked. So if I didn't park there, I probably wouldn't have looked. Hello? So I heard something. I want out of this part so bad. I just hate walking in through this. I just wish this path was a little bit wider. But I'm not gonna complain. I am complaining. So I'm just gonna truck along. Ooh. But that's good grub. I don't know. I don't know my mushrooms. Struck the spider web. Dang it. If y'all hear me scream, it's because I walked into the spider web. That's loud. Ticks. So this is Hedge Apple Trail. Like this loop apart. Get past the spider web. I don't think people use this trail often. So I'm gonna adjust my back camera. I think I was pointing the wrong way the whole time. So I heard something behind me. It was my hat. Brushing against my back camera. Someone's like, I keep mentioning this, but someone's like, if you're afraid to be in the woods alone, why go in the woods alone? And it's like, well, it's soothing. Here's a stick structure I found, or Griffin and I found. I wonder who made this. Seems very small. Oh shit. Oh, it's a dog. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's a dog. I like dogs. I love dogs, actually. I had a beagle throughout my childhood. We had to put him down 2 years ago. But he was a really good dog. Actually, I still miss him, actually. But just adjusting the cam. Spider web. So I knock it down. I saw the spider. I don't think all these spiders are venomous or poisonous or whatever they're called in the state, except for like the brown recluse and thud. Another thud. Hello? quiet in here. I don't like it. You know, I keep hearing a thud. I don't know if it's from my bag, where my camera is, my backup camera is, or it's starting to feel eerie in here. Hello? Oh, I'm getting freaked out. I'm turning back. Something's not right. I'm just gonna trust my gut in this moment and turn around. So I'm gonna have to loop back here. So, yeah, it's eerie. Yeah, something just feels off. I'm just gonna go. But yeah, what the hell? What gives? Yeah, something feels off. Doesn't feel right. Best thing you could do in this situation is trust your gut. When your gut slightly says something's wrong, just get out. Hello? I heard something. I've gone out. Someone's messing with me. Make yourself known. Hello? If you're messing with me, make yourself known. Hand my gun. Something's not right. I heard some noise. I don't know if it's a person though, or what. I'm just passing through. No harm for anyone. We're just gonna leave. Or I'm just gonna leave. Yeah, something's not right. I don't know how to describe it. I just feel like really shaky right now. So I'm gonna head to my car and recap what happened. Something's not right. I hear birds, but something in the air is just like, it's not it, Chief. Yeah, if someone's messing with me, make yourself known. There's someone else out here, make yourself known. Hey, there's someone there. Make yourself known, you might get shot. Make yourself known. Hey, there's someone there. Make yourself known, you might get shot. Make yourself known. Freaked out. It's not right. There we go. Maybe just power suggestion, but that's fucking weird. I don't know how to describe it. Something just felt wrong. Like, oh god, it's so fucking weird to explain. I'm like, it felt like it was like a presence here, almost. And I'm like, maybe there's something wrong. I'm like, look at that. I don't know if someone's just fucking with me, but like, I hope my back camera didn't keep going facing the wrong way. So, man. Something's going on here. People are like, it's starting to rain. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna call it for today. They didn't say it was supposed to rain today, but yep, I'll call it here. Well, sorry this video is disappointing. Something just didn't feel right. So I'm just gonna go home.